and therefore we need the experts. Ramdev Agarwal, Chairman, Motilal Oswal Financial Services, joins us. Good morning, Ramdev. Pleasure having you with us this early.
Good morning.
As a stock investor, what do you do? Is this enthusing you enough to remain invested, to increase your investments?
Yes, market was holding back, holding at this level because of the promise of stimulus clearly, and what Honorable Prime Minister yesterday talked about is clearly from the market. It is very clear that it is much bigger than anybody's imagination. Now it is a question is what is there in the retail? What is the real stimulus and what is the liquidity stimulus and what is the financing to the government itself? Because I'm not a macro guy, but I think every constituents in the economy that needs a stimulus. First, central government itself, then state government, then the middle order corporates, and then of course the masses, the poor, in what form everybody gets their piece of action in this 20 lakh crores is to be seen.
Yeah. Ramdev, hi, good morning. Thanks a lot for joining us. As I said, the market was holding on because it was expecting this stimulus. But do you think there's a risk that this rally will get sold into, especially because we don't have good data points? If you look at the IIP, or if you look at the near-term numbers and NPA problems, so is there a risk of this rally getting sold into, Ramdev?
I don't know the technical part of it, but one thing which works is buy on rumor, sell on news. So once it is done, that entire announcement will happen, and then we'll go into the details of it, and something will be below expectation and something will be above expectation. So then real economy, whether actually, it is not about next 1 month or 2 months. I think markets are about much longer term. And whether this particular, the way Prime Minister spoke yesterday, land, labor, liquidity and law. So liquidity, we understand very clearly what exactly he is meaning. Half of it is already done. 10 lakh crores is, I think, almost done. Some more will come by way of credit guarantee. So then the actual fiscal write-up will be very limited in terms of actual damage to the budget of government. But I think other things like land, labor and law, these three are non-financial, I would say, but that could have the biggest impact. As Datta was saying that in 91, 92, when Manmohan Singh did, just by one stroke of pen, the finishing of the licensing regime, that had the biggest impact, and it lasted for almost 20-25 years of good amount of growth. Can there be some removal of hurdles at this juncture, using this opportunity and remove some of the hurdles in land acquisition, labor flexibility and all kinds of jungle of laws? Can it be cleared up?
Okay. Ramdev, good morning. In fact, that was my follow-up question as well. While this might be very good for the medium to long term, but will the market be able to appreciate it, or will it be more about the here and now and the fourth phase of the lockdown and the fact that we're not getting into a full-fledged opening perhaps anytime soon?
No, but this is preparation to the opening. I think all the economists and the advisors to the government, they clearly told us that while it is being locked down, there's no point in giving the stimulus. They will time the stimulus with the opening up. So I would think that the very announcement of stimulus package is announcement of opening up. So there will be, because there are some hot spots which have to be taken care of, and that will be dependent on state government. So now the whole slogan is to live with the COVID rather than just lock it down. That seems to be the message to me, at least.
Okay. Given all the news that we know and don't know, Ramdev, how are you approaching sectors or stocks? Do you think that, we will have to bet on demand, so you would go the consumer way? Do you think it's time one looked at finance because it has been beaten down so much? How are you thinking sectors?
Yeah, so, portfolio is already there and it is getting hit with the index or whatever. And financials is very large part of, banking itself is about 30% of the portfolio, and we are fully loaded. Even now we are almost there. I'm little underweight on the lenders, because the nature of the nature of the lenders is that everybody's problem get consolidated and get into the balance sheet of lenders. And lenders take it on their own balance sheet, in the sense that their own net worth. You commit any problem, whether it is voluntary or involuntary, the problem comes to my net worth, and hence my solvency, and hence my survival. And then on top of it is stock market, the way they view it. So I think the lending in this kind of uncertain environment, whether COVID or any other time, global financial crisis or even Y2K collapse, I think the stress, definitely first level the stress falls is the financial sector. And this point of time, when the lockdown is there, it is a properly centered around financial sector. So the maximum hit is there, and the maximum opportunity for this particular package to address is the problems of lenders. And I think liquidity boost or liquidity management, flowing of liquidity to the various segments of the markets, including to the government, is what is going to be the main theme of this. I would be very, I would not expect much of direct injection of any direct benefit to the large corporates. That will be, in fact, they have been saying that, what I have been hearing is that in the past, particularly in GFC, the experience is not good. In fact, a lot of bad lending happened because of some kind of stimulus in 2008-9. So they would avoid what went wrong in 2008-9 by way of learnings,
Okay.
and they will do different things. So it remains under wrap what exactly is there.
Sure.
So let's see how it works out.
Okay. Yeah, Ramdev, we're running into market opening. By the way, pre-open settled 4% higher on the Nifty, but focus on the bank Nifty, 6% higher on that, 1155 points. Ramdev, what about the economy facing stocks now? Autos, cement, infrastructure. This pop that we will have. Do you think it's time to put some money into some of these stocks, especially names like autos?
Yeah, clearly. I mean, I think the best way to, if I had a little bit of say anywhere, I would have cut the GST this 28% to 18% in one shot, without even bothering about what it is. I mean, just rationalize this in one shot. Whatever is the stress, take it, and make sure that none of the corporates take one penny out of it. Everything is passed on to the consumer. So today, if I can't put more money in the hands of the people, at least make the things cheaper for the people at large, and make sure that nobody profits out of it. So I think it is doable, but whether they do it that way or not, and in that 28% category, cement and autos are the main thing.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Ramdev, you said it, every industrialist thinks that way. You create growth, create demand, and then the rest will take care of itself. That creates its own income, the demand, the taxes that will be paid, the income that will be created, the jobs that will be created. Take your point. But Ramdev, we will need your advice. We will need your advice after the steps are announced by the Finance Minister. So thank you very much for joining us. We will touch base with you after 1 o'clock. The markets have opened not quite where